Hey guys, Kim here. In this video, I'm going to review a product called ProfitSuite. So ProfitSuite is claiming to be this new desktop for managing your online business. And the question is it really? So stick around for this entire review. I'm going to tell you what it is it really under one roof, really, how it helps you, how it doesn't, inside looks into the software, cautions for newbies, and a shiny object score for you to understand if this is a shiny object or not. Hey there, it's Kim Wolf here with AffiliateMarketingInformate.com, informing you of everything you want and need to know about affiliate marketing. If this video helps you out, definitely give it a like, subscribe to my channel, comment below if you have any questions. I'll be more than happy to help you out. And if you're interested in learning more about shiny object syndrome and understanding if you have it and you're a victim of it, then definitely check out the link below. I'm going to have a link for you that will link you to this particular checklist that you can use every time you want to buy something to figure out if it's actually worth your money or not. So what is ProfitSuite? ProfitSuite is a suite of 6 online marketing apps in the cloud, so they don't require any kind of download, designed to help you manage your online business. So the applications within ProfitSuite cover everything from hosting, storage, webinars, autoresponder, graphic design, and funnel builder. So with hosting, you can actually host WordPress websites. With the storage, you can store files online. With the graphic design software, you can design graphics for your landing pages, sales collateral, social media, etc., and even your ads. You can build funnels, you can run webinars, and you can email your subscribers. So the promise of ProfitSuite is that it will actually replace these individual solutions that provide the same needs. So HostGator provides hosting, Photoshop provides image creation and creative, Zoom for webinars, Aweber for the autoresponder emailer, ClickFunnels for the funnel builder, and Dropbox for online storage. So the thing to know about ProfitSuite before you buy it is that it is 6 different applications to do those things we just talked about. So here is what each application does. ProfitHost is also named SiteWorks. It provides you the hosting. ProfitMail is the email autoresponder. ProfitPage is the funnel builder. Mirage is the designer. ProfitMeet is the webinar software, and ProfitDrive is the online storage. So the thing to know about ProfitSuite before you buy it is that each of those 6 applications, they are not new. They weren't just recently released. They've actually been released over this year span. So you can see ProfitSuite is what we're talking about now. You can see ProfitMeet is here, released in October. ProfitHost is here, released in September. You have ProfitDrive, it was released in July. ProfitMail was released in April. ProfitPage was released in February. And what's actually missing here is Mirage, which is the creative software as part of the suite. So now that you know that, you can kind of watch out for some of the red flags that are on this page. So this is one particular review. Right here it says a hosting account, page builder, cloud storage, webinar software, image design software, and email marketing all under one roof. But is it really? So here's what actually happens. When you buy ProfitSuite, you're going to land on this page. This is your welcome page, but this is also your product link page. If you scroll down here, it's going to link you out to all of the different products as part of this suite. Now the problem with this is that these are 6 different products. They are not connected in any way, so they require 6 different accounts and 6 different logins. So be careful of any sales language on the sales page that leads you to believe that this software is all connected under one roof. It's really not. So the mention on the sales page that it's from one click, it's really one click from the consolidated link page, but you still have to do multiple clicks to get into each software. And this statement about your very own 99.9% automated done-for-you internet business designed by marketers for marketers. Sure, it is designed for you as a marketer by marketers. However, this business is not 99% done for you. You still have to do the work. However, this part of the sales page is true that it does eliminate 100% of the monthly fees because it is a one-time price for all of these apps. And actually a cheaper deal for you compared to if you bought all 6 of them individually previously this year. When you're first getting started with ProfitSuite and you come to this page which has all your links to the products, the first thing you're going to want to do is come to training and click on this. It's going to take you to this training link screen, which is all of the links you see here. And this takes you to training for each product, okay? So in this particular case for ProfitSuite Design, click on the training here. And then it's going to give you instructions. This is how you register to ProfitSuite Design. This is how you're going to log in and access. So you have multiple ways to get to the products once you do the setup. But if you scroll down below, this is where you're going to see the training videos for each app. Okay. So we're in Profit Design, which is the Mirage tool. This is the creative tool that you can use to create images, graphics for your landing pages, web pages, socials, and even ads. So it's taking you through the actual options that you have here with the images, and then it's going to take you into the editing abilities. So you can see you can do different things, crop, you can rotate, you can resize, you can make different shapes, change the colors, merge the images, etc. You have different types of fonts that you can change the color. So you see here he's got an image and you're actually adding text to the image. So the idea is that this can actually replace Photoshop and be easier to use for you. Once you've set up your ProfitSuite Design and you've accessed the training, you've gone through the account process and you've gotten in, then you do that 5 additional more times for every other product. So I'm back at the training page here. I'm going to set up the ProfitSuite Contact, which is the ProfitSuite Mail. It's the autoresponder application. Click on that link and the exact same steps as you see here. So you register for another account. This one is going to be for ProfitSuite Contact, which is the mailing application. And then you have the quick link to log in and access. Then you scroll down here and you're going to have all of the training you need to set this up. So the cool thing about ProfitSuite is that it is a typical responder. It allows you to do different types of automations and campaigns. However, the biggest thing you need to understand about this particular program is that you have to set up your own sending server. And in most cases, when you buy an autoresponder, that is already provided for you, but not in this case, particularly with Profit Mail and ProfitSuite Contact. So let me show you what I mean. So in this case, you have to come and actually set up your sending server. This is actually what allows your emails to go out. And in all other autoresponders, you do not have to do this step. So in this case, you're actually looking at all of the servers, and you have to go and actually set up one of these with their particular company. They recommend that you do the API version because they're free to use and they're going to be less technical than setting up an SMTP option. But this is a very technical option for a beginner, and honestly, I don't recommend it. I personally never had to do this with any of my mailing applications. So this is the Profit Mail. You're actually setting up an automation which allows you to set up different triggers for emails to go out based on different actions and events. This helps to automate the process for you. And this is where you're going to set up your automations. So the idea with automations is that you can create a whole week of emails within a couple of hours. You have different triggers that you can use based on the actions that you want. So that's 2 out of the 6 apps, and then you do the same thing 4 more times. With ProfitMeet, this is where you can actually schedule the webinars. They can be live and they can also be pre-recorded. Do the same thing with ProfitHost, which is actually called InterWorks or SiteWorks. In this particular case, you have to actually set up your SSL, which is your security on your domain. And the reality is this is going to be another sort of technical feature for most people. The video will take you through these steps, but it's going to be a little bit technical, and then they actually put in the code here. So they mention this in the video and they tell you where to set this up. But this is how you actually set up your security around your domain. So when you're browsing on the internet, every time you see a lock with the URL there, that means that this website is secure. Then you are able to install WordPress websites. You do have to use additional processes and softwares to do that though. Once again, I think this is pretty technical setup. This is more difficult than what I do to set up a website. If you're interested in learning more, definitely check out my link for where you can access a free affiliate marketing website the easy way on WordPress. Do the same thing for ProfitSuite storage. The Profit Drive just acts like a Google Docs or a Google Drive and or a Dropbox. So you can store and share online files. The cool thing about these types of software is they allow you to easily share the content with other people. So they host the files. That could be videos, which are really large files, but you can actually really easily share it with other people so they can access it, download it, etc. So that's why these types of products are popular and they are essential to running an online business. And last but not least, ProfitSuite Funnels. Download the funnels here, access your products here, access the training here. So Profit Funnel is actually Profit Page, as we mentioned before. And the idea with this is that it gives you done-for-you funnels that you can use and promote. So these done-for-you funnels are affiliate offers promoting all of these particular products in your bundle and additional products that are created by these same product makers. So Profit Page is actually a plugin that plugs into your WordPress website that will automatically plug in these different funnels and pages for you. So on the actual sales page, if you scroll down and actually look for the quick demo video and play this, it will walk you through this entire process that I just showed you. Just understand that you must do each step, you must set up each individually, but you will be able to see very quickly that these are just 6 different products being offered to you as a suite and a bundle, but they're not connected in any way. With the exception of how you do your business, they are essential tools that you need to successfully do an online business today. So the caution for newbies is that these products are not integrated in any way. It is going to be 6 different logins, 6 different management of applications, and 6 different sets of emails that you're going to get. So if you get 1 email for each application, you're essentially going to get 6 different emails, and that's going to add up over time. The sales page says that it's unlimited, but the next upsell, the OTO1, is actually an unlimited package for an additional money. You'll see an option for utilizing the GetResponse API. It wasn't really clear what that was for. The email software requires that you have your own sending server, so that is something you have to set up, unlike most other autoresponders out there. And people do question the longevity of this particular type of product. And this is what I mean. Come to one of the training videos and scroll down and you're going to see 2 comments. This particular comment is the one that caught my eye because he even says that this is a great offer, but with a one-time payment, there is no incentive for you to keep it up and running without monthly income. That's why everyone else's charges monthly. So that is a really, really big point. These one-time offers sound great in the beginning, but there's always the question, well, how long will they be around? And just imagine setting up all of those 6 products, putting all of your hard work and your content into those, and then trying to log in one day and it's no longer there. You're not going to be very happy. So it's just a question mark, right? Like they say they'll be around forever, but without a monthly fee, there's really no guarantee for them to do that. On the flip side, if you actually come to Warrior Plus and you look at the reviews and the star ratings for these different products, ProfitSuite is getting a 3.25 out of 5, so that's actually pretty good. And then you come down here, you have ProfitMeet, which is the webinar software. It gets 2.26 out of 5. You have ProfitHost that gets 1.73 out of 5. You get ProfitDrive that gets 2 out of 5. You get Mirage that gets 2 out of 5. So just understand that people give these products about an average 3 out of 5, so they're okay, but not fantastic. So if you look at how it passes the shiny object syndrome detector checklist, it actually does okay. Some of the things you want to look out are for fake screenshots of profit. So the screenshots are on there. It's hard to tell if they're fake or not, but if you do notice, they never show you a product name. They just show you really big figures. And as you saw on Warrior Plus, they sell these products, so that is likely where the money comes from. They are definitely a serial launcher, which means they launch products over and over again. You saw that when I showed you the list of all these products being released over the year. They actually are offering a one-time fee for all of these products, which typically you should not buy from because they are not meant to last. Price is super cheap, which typically means the products are cheap, and you should always take the sales page with a pinch of salt, which I called out. There are some claims on there that are not 100% true, making it seem like they're all unified and connected, which as you saw, they're not. So in the big scheme of things, they scored a 5 out of 15. Obviously, if you have all 15 of these checked, then it's a 100% shiny object. This view shows it's not terrible, so it's definitely tools that you need. You just take some risk at knowing how long these products will be around. If you want access to this checklist so that you can do this with every product you're thinking about buying, definitely don't forget to check the link out below. The instant access training will hook you up with this and so much more. And if you're serious about actually succeeding with affiliate marketing online, definitely check out the link below. You'll learn how to succeed with the same strategies that I'm personally using to succeed myself. Don't forget, if this video helps you out, definitely remember to give it a like, subscribe to my channel, and if you have any questions, definitely comment below. I'll be more than happy to help you out. Thanks for watching.